Well, I'll be. What do we have here? Hi there, where are you ladies headed?
We're headed all kinds of places because we're going to ATS Professional Truck Driving School to get our CDL.
Well, I pulled out of Pittsburgh, rolling down the eastern seaboard. I've got my diesel wound up and she's running like never before. There's a speed zone ahead, but alright, I don't see a cop in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. I got 10 forward gears and a Georgie overdrive. I'm passing little white lines and my eyes are open wide. Just past a Jimmy and a white, I've been passing everything in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, it seems like a month since I kissed my baby goodbye. I could have a lot of women, but I'm not like some other guy. I could find one to hold me tight, but I can never make believe it's right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, the ICC is checking on down the line. I'm a little overweight and my logbook's way behind, but nothing bothers me tonight. I can dodge all the scales alright. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. My rig's a little old, but that don't mean she's slow. There's a flame from her stack and the smoke's rolling back as coal. My hometown's coming in sight. If you think I'm happy, alright. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight.
Wheels and a serious plan. Ain't nothing gonna go getting out of hand while I'm behind the wheel. I'm on fire and I'm wired, full of diesel and ready for hire. Well, I'm building a rolling empire of blood, sweat, and steel. I don't waste time, I make time, tearing a strip off the white line. I'm a professional man, I'm a one of a kind, and I know how to bring it in. Clean slate, 5 states, 29 that ain't so great, and 14 that'll have to wait, and 2 I've never been. I'm a road hammer, a white knuckle steel kid jammer, a rig jockey, highway slammer. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I'm a road hammer, a double talking, see big grammar, haul your load from Alabama. The chillin' the most, I follow 309, the teddy bear's ghost, all the way to New Orleans. I've been from Thunder Bay to PA, all the way down to FLA, and every little town along the way. There ain't much that I haven't seen. I'm a road hammer, a white knuckle steel kid jammer, a rig jockey, highway slammer. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I'm a road hammer, a double talking big grammar, haul your load from Alabama all the way to Timbuktu. Another day, another town, diesel love, and hammer down. Four little babies and my hound reside back in the hills on the mountainside, south of the river bend. I